Home is where our story begins. It's the place where love is born. Home is not a place. It's a feeling. Improve your home. Max Renovators Company, having 15+ years of construction experience, serving both commercial and residential customers. The services we offer include roofing, siding, deck, windows and doors installation, interior remodeling, extension to the house, and others. We have thousands of satisfied customers throughout northern and central New Jersey. There is no project that is too big for us. Max Renovators, the best way to make your home happy.